Hey, fans, and we're back with another SMP episode 2. In this episode, we're going to be building houses, mining, and overall just vibing. Today we have 15 joining us. I don't think we're going to have so anyway, the house that I'm building is more of I can't really explain it, but yeah, I can't really explain it at this point. My next video should be posted. I'm gonna be doing Bedwars, and I'll be playing some Fortnite today. I know it says I do Fortnite, which I do. Mostly I'm doing Minecraft though. But anyway, if you end up doing enjoy this video, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more content just like this. My goal today is to get at least maybe one like on this video, maybe two subscriber. Just like the videos to my channel. And I know I said I'd be building my house in this video. Oh my gosh. Oh god, where did I die? I think I went the wrong direction. It's probably somewhere over there. Oh my. Definitely not where I was before. That stinks. Had a lot of good stuff. That really sucks that I died, guys. But that is okay because I have been relieved with the fact I just found the mine. By the way, everybody on this video, do not get mad at me, but I am doing the unthinkable. All of that mining, all of that work for a skeleton shooting me with a bow and arrow. I'm sure we find more stuff though. I can't believe I already died. What? Nice. First you have an axolotl, now you have a dog. Interesting. Lee, suspicious. Okay, that way went nowhere. We're gonna try the way. No. Oh, copper, finally. That made up for the loss. Yeah, I might want to gather more pieces of coal. Somehow I already have a bunch of iron after I just died. Wonder if I have more iron than Goofy Gang already. That'd be a surprise. Just want to mine as much of this as I can, because I don't know how many torches I'm going to need until it ends, until the path ends. So... that just led us to a dead end. By the way, if you notice that I have a better camera view this time, I tried to set it up a little better than last time. Yeah, I hope it's better than it was the last time. But, yeah. What? Okay. I really want to get to 5 subscribers. I'm 3 subscribers away. You guys watching, make my goal possible and reach us to 5 subscribers. Boom. Also, Goofy Gang will be creating a channel pretty soon, I'm pretty sure. I think he will. And, I don't know. And he's going to subscribe to the Monkey Gang, isn't he? Well, everybody that subscribes and likes, everybody that subscribes on my videos and likes videos is a part of the Monkey Gang. So we're trying to build up an army, a clan. I said a clan, not a clan, not a clam. I really do not care about my hunger. I'll die if I have to. I'll die a happy man if I find diamond. I'll die a happy man if I find diamonds. I think I did. Yeah, I'm not falling down there, not today. Oh, Yay, my iron and copper and all that other stuff. Oh, sheesh. Wait. I must find diamonds. Yes, even though all the ores they have added, I'm still overly obsessed with diamonds. Yes, I will admit that. Before I go down there, I'm gonna explore around here. This is like the most risky thing I've done. Uh-oh, that ain't good. Stay away from me, you little rat. It's gonna take so long. By the way, guys, if we get to 15 subscribers, I'll be doing a face reveal. Wow. Yeah, I guess you're right. But I'm still gonna give the people what they don't want, so. Oh, sheesh. Oh, God. Yeah, I'm not gonna find any diamonds. Oh, God. One tiny slip up, and I will die. Just the smallest slip up, and I will be killed. I will be instantly killed. For the tiniest error, I will be brutally murdered. Oh my goodness. I literally fell like a few feet and I died. Like you could fall 2 blocks and you just die. A half a heart and no hunger. You're just like, that'll do the trick. No, he wasn't. He's a disgrace. My pickaxe is also a disgrace at this point. Like, there's like no food where I am. Okay, you know, bye pickaxe, bye. You will die there and suffer. I can't, no, I'm such an idiot. Okay. A random glow squid just laying there and chilling like a boss. Okay, I'm gonna have to, ooh, a cow. No, but, I need a sword, so, I beat him. Easy peasy. I easily beat that noob. Okay. Now all I need is just the iron axe. I need 1 more piece of iron. And then I need some wood. Yep, there we go. And just like that, we have an iron axe. As promised, I wanted to build a house in this video, so I'm gonna be gathering wood. What looks amazing? Wait, is Daddy giving you a breakfast sandwich? Asher's daddy. No. Guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm gonna start working on my house. I don't know why I just unclipped the video. I just wanted to make it clear that I'm gonna start working on my house. So, by the time I unclip it, it should be a big structure. I don't think you'll see much of the house part by the time I'm making like a deck first. So, see you guys in like the next one. Okay, guys, I'm trying to build my house right, and little problem. So just hope for me. Okay, guys, Goofy Gang just gave me a bone, so I could try and tame a dog. Let's see. No. Yay, a bone. Okay, wait, now I just gotta remember which one I tried to tame. Was it you? Yay, he's mine now. Come on, child. You are coming with me. There he is, the wondrous pupper of indeed. This is a little bit of the house for you so far. Not too bad, is it? I don't think so. This is just a little update of the house. It's construction. Another update coming soon. So here's a little update for you all of the house. Right now, Goofy Gang's right there with his new spyglass, and then he also has his little dog, which my dog's over there. I fed him meat. So, yeah. The next clip's probably gonna be with the roof and the fence done. So, see you guys there. Okay, guys, I just got an axolotl in a bucket, and I guess I'll give you guys a little report about the house. This is it so far, and I'm gonna probably build an axolotl tank in the next episode. But for now, sit back and relax. Guys, I'm mining and I just found diamonds. I got literally a 6 vein. Guys, that's insane. Or down here, strip mining, and people say this strip mining is not useful. Liars, liars. My heart's beating like so bad and so fast. Guys, I'm almost gonna finish the house right when I get it back up from mining. See you guys. Oh, and by the way, I'll keep giving you guys updates of when I mine ores like that are really good. I've already found some redstone, but that's a pretty common element now, I guess. But yeah, I'll give you updates. Guys, I just accidentally found diamonds. No. They were right by you. Hey. Okay, guys, I have 7 diamonds now. Wait, I missed one. Make that 8 diamonds. Wait, what? You took my diamond. Give it back. Give it back. Okay, guys, this is the house finished. Got the roof done. So this is the finished results of the house. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna show you a little bit. So I did get a llama from a trading villager. Murdered, slaughtered a villager, slaughtered every llama. This is my house. I remember when I mined the diamonds, got like a bunch of stuff in the chest. I also got my pet axolotl. I think you guys have seen him, just in case. He's a golden axolotl. Isn't he such a cute boy? Oh. Get in the bucket. Get in the bucket. Okay. Jeez. Sometimes it takes a while to get in the bucket. Yep. Oh god, my house is flooded. My house is literally flooded. Yeah. Okay. Unflood. Yes, it's unflooded. But this is the house so far. It's pretty nice. Next video we're gonna be hopefully have Scarhawk joining us, because this video he wasn't able to come. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.